Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to see DIY keychain holder. I made it using a log of wood. This waste piece of wood which was lying at home, I just attached these hooks which can easily hold the keys. I'm using mixed media paste and using my fingers I'm just applying it. You can use a brush for this, or you can also use white acrylic paint or even wall paints as well. This multimedia paste will give a texture because it was very smooth, so I couldn't paint anything on this, so that's why I added this. This waste wood pieces I'm sure will be lying in your home, so you can utilize this. I'm going to use Warli art here, so I just drew it using pencil, and on top of it I'm applying red color. It's good if you find a brick red color, but I didn't find one, so I used the red one. So let's also know about this Warli art while we are doing it. So I'm going to use white acrylic paint and paint them. Okay, this Warli art is an art which is a very old one, which hails from Maharashtra. Basically, tribal people used to do this. This represents unity. So they always celebrate everything in a group. So that's how all their paintings will have people. And they usually use background colors henna, indigo, black or earthy mud or brick red color. So that's how you see all the paintings with these backgrounds. And they use rice paste as a white color to draw these figures. And usually these figures will have triangles, lines and some circles. So this is the very old Indian art form, which looks very pretty and quite easy to make. So like this I'm going to complete the entire design with the white acrylic paint. I have chosen a wedding scene here. You can choose any theme and draw it accordingly. So this was it about Warli art. It was nice information to know about the old arts, right? Okay, so I'm using zero brush and giving all the details. You can keep it as simple as possible, or you can make it as complicated as you can. So I'm just filling the gaps with some small plants like structure and giving them some leaves. So here we have drawn bride, bridegroom on the horse, and many people who are carrying different kinds of instruments. On top I'm just drawing like a border, and then using dots and leaf pattern I'm going to cover them so that gaps are also filled. And then you can add a hook to hang on both the sides. If it's a long one you can add 2, if it's a small one you can add 1. These waste woods you can find it in photo shops. So the frames where they make photo frames, there if you ask them all their waste woods, they will just let it out, so they can give them to you and you can create your own designs. For key holder you need a little thicker sheet because you need to insert that clips in the bottom, right? So you need to take a little thicker one. So this is how it is complete. Look how beautiful and pretty it looks. It just depicts unity, and as well as Warli art just pops off. I hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe if you do so that it gives us the support to make more such videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.